Hi friends, it's Miss Garcia here. I miss you so much and I hope everyone is doing well. This week, we will be working on cause and effect. Remember, very important, a cause is what makes something happen in the story and the effect is the event that happens. So keep in mind when we're reading the story together, the cause, remember, that makes something happen in the story and the effect, the event that happens. So let's begin. Okay, friends, today's story is going to be A Bird Named Fern. Remember, this is the story that we will be reading throughout the week. Go ahead and turn the page. Remember, tracking fingers. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out. Turn the page. Tracking fingers. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. At this moment, I want you to take a pause and tell the adult near you what is the cause and what is the effect of this part in the story. Go ahead. Great job, guys. All right, tracking fingers. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. We're going to pause right here one more time, and you're going to tell the adult near you what the cause of this part of the story is and what was the effect. Go right ahead. You're doing a great job. Let's move on. Tracking fingers. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest, so she leapt on the bed, but she fell right through it. I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. Turn the page. Keep on reading, guys. You're doing wonderful. Tracking fingers. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you all about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. At this very moment, I'd like you to pause and tell the adult near you what the cause of this part of the story was and what was the effect of it. Go ahead. Wonderful work, guys. You did such a great job. Now it's your turn. I want you to read this story about 2 more times. And after you're done reading, I would like for you to get onto Google Classroom and do the cause and effect assignment your teacher assigned to you. I hope everyone's doing well. I miss you. We love you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye.